This animal. Polar bears. Where do you think polar bears live? Arctic Sea. What do you think about the weather in the Arctic Sea right now? What is the main factor that changes the Arctic Sea? Can you guess what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn topics how to preserve environment. The next part we will learn our vocabulary. The first vocabulary is habitat. I will play the audio 2 times. The first time you have to listen carefully, and the second time you have to repeat after the audio. Okay? Yeah. First time. 3, 2, 1.
Habitat.
And the second time.
Habitat.
Your turn. Habitat. Habitat is a noun. It means the place where a plant or animal usually lives. For example, the polar bear's habitat will become smaller and smaller. Repeat together.
Present.
The second time.
Present.
Your turn. Repeat. Repeat is a verb. It means to say that an event or action will happen in the future. For example, the scientists predict that the Earth will be warmer next year. Okay, read together.
Disappear.
And the second time.
Disappear.
And your turn. Disappear. Disappear is a verb. It means to go away or become lost. For example, some scientists predict that 60% will disappear before 2050. Okay, your turn. Our passage, will there still be polar bears in the world in 2100? Will there still be polar bears in the world in 2100? Can you guess what this passage is about? What animal? Bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. So the first time, I will play the audio for you, and you have to listen. And the second time, you will repeat after. Before we're gonna listen, I have the passage for you. Pass it to your friend. Pass to your friend. You already get the passage, right? Okay, show me your passage. Show me. Okay.
Polar bears need sea ice to hunt, rest, and travel. But the ice in the Arctic is melting because of global warming.
The second time, I will play the audio. One sentence, and you repeat after the audio, okay? Polar bear needs sea ice to hunt, rest, and travel. How was the weather in the Arctic? Cold, right? It's cold. But the ice in the Arctic is melting. Can you guess why the ice is melting? When it's melting, it's become water like this. Can you guess why? Global warming. What does global warming mean? Oh, it's become hotter, right? They don't have anything to eat, right? Because they can't find their food. This year is in the future.
ว้าว
Okay, what is your campaign name? อันนี้
Polar bear in the future office. Polar bear life no พี่เทียน no food die. What will you do to protect the life of polar bear?
Stop global warming. Stop cut down tree.
Great job, everyone. Clap your hands for your friends.
The last time, what we have learned about the Arctic Sea, right, and about the polar bear. This time we will learn about future simple tense. So everyone repeat after me. Future simple tense. We use future simple tense to talk about the action that happened in the future. Future simple tense have two types of sentence. First is affirmative form. Can you see in the green box? It's a subject. That includes I, you, we, they, he, she, it. And followed by will. In the yellow box, right? Will. And followed by verb infinitive. What is verb infinitive? Verb is mean action, right? Verb infinitive is verb that not add s, es, ed or ing. We will next month. So next month is mean in the future. So this activity called what will you do? Everyone repeat after me. What will you do? So first is get a worksheet from the teacher. Second, divide the sentences into a future simple tense. So next, check the correct answer with the teacher. And I will give you 10 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I will give you 10 minutes.
ก็พอคือหนูเขียนข้างล่างได้ไหม
Okay, Judy plants many trees tomorrow, and you need to change into the future simple tense, right? So, are you sure? Okay, let's see the answer. So, we put will after Judy, right? So, what is your answer? So, are you sure? Let's see the correct answer. Environment will not destroy the forest. Can someone get a 7 point? Show your hand, please. 6. 7 point, 7 point. 7 point, 6 point, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and smile. Part of our class today. So, we learn about how to protect polar bears, right? And the first part, what activity you do? What activity you do how to protect polar bears into the poster? Try to learn about what sentence? Future simple tense, right? What is future simple tense? To talk when or describe events or situation in the future, right? So, such as affirmative form. The structure of affirmative form is subject followed by will followed by what is verb infinitive? Verb that not add ing. That's right. That's for today, guys. Thank you so much and how you can